So let's start with this presentation. So basically, this is a webinar hosted by Glide Accelerator in coordination with Plutus Business Advisory and as well and outreach partner SMA Biz. So this webinar, which we are hosting here, is technologies and innovation as a key enabler for sustainable growth and job creation post COVID-19. So let me first take the introduction as to like what GLIDE stands for. GLIDE stands for Growth, Leadership, Innovation, Development, and Entrepreneurship. So who we are basically, we are team members of basically 150 members. We are like 12 co-startup founders, 12 non-profit organizations, 50 vertical experts, 20 corporate partners, 12 academic partners, 25 industrial partners, and 18 venture partners. So this is basically a picture of our executive members of the board. We have like myself, Deepak Singh, we have Salil Chaturvedi, Alok Kumar, Ritukant Ojha, Avnish Singhal, Ritesh Saxena, Shivesh Gaur, Vikram Gupta, Gyan Prakash Kesarwani, Kshitij Singh, CM Singh, and Vigyan Shri Lakshman Prasad ji. So why we are focusing on basically small businesses? When we say that small businesses basically comprise of startups, and which if gets mature, it becomes more of a MSME and then the small medium enterprise. So basically startups are the future of the industries. They attract talent. There is a huge inflow of smart capital. So and through these capital, there is a development of a lot of local opportunities. Now the creation of high value and added jobs. And what we are, the region which we're working here is Noida. So Glide Accelerator, this is the theme which we are bringing. Starting with Mr. Salil Chaturvedi, then we'll have Mr. Vikram Gupta, Mr. Jiten Chawla, Mr. Ritukant Ojha, Mr. Vikram Singh, and Mr. Ritesh Singh. I ask each and everyone to please mute yourself. Preeti Gautam, you're not muted. Please mute. Yes. So basically, when we talk about small business people, basically entrepreneurship and the enterprise. So entrepreneur is basically the co-founder about the business process and the business model, and enterprise, the firm, is basically about the business description on which business vertical the company is working, whether it is B2B, B2C. Entrepreneurship is the process of initiating small business termed as startup. It is also a journey for incumbent entrepreneur to undergo through different stages of business life cycle comprising of ideation, growth, maturation, and rebirth. Hence, in a business environment, success and failure depend on how startups affect the system, society, and add value towards the economic growth. So these are some other definitions. It's a human institution which works under extreme uncertainty. Startup success also create a sense of original innovation and technologies that can bring fruitful to economic benefits and the ecosystem. It's about the VUCA conditions where the entrepreneur has to survive initially these VUCA conditions, which starts with volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguities. So basically, these are the associated risks. The entrepreneur must learn to understand. Currently with the situation we are facing is uncertain event of the pandemic COVID-19. So this is about the business model which we are talking here. As why this particular topic? So we have added basically the technologies and the innovation, and this together makes it a small business startups, which is MSME, and the SMEs. So this is called technopreneurship innovation model. So based on this model, we have thought of this panel. Why this panel we have thought? You can see that initially any business will start with a business development. So until there is a business or a market predefined for it, there is no technical development. So it doesn't go vice versa that we go for a, do a technical development of a product and then we go in an open market and sell it. So first we need to identify the business development. So with the business development, business development, Technical development, Mr. Vikram Gupta will be talking about he's a CEO of Merit Road. Small business and an eco support system. So there has to be, the ecosystem support, which is eventually supporting this entire the domain of the system. And if there is a business development, technical development, ecosystem support, what would happen if you don't communicate it to the entire world? So the communication plays an important role. So we'll be talking about the business communication. And if there is a business communication, then that is where when you become a brand. So then you do a lot of technopreneurship innovation. So we have invited Vikram Singh. He's a CEO tech with respect to drone technology and the robotics. Now, all these things will keep into a bucket of a list, will not work unless it is supported by government support. So talking about how these benefits, how these facilities have been given with respect to the UP government. So, and myself, Deepak Singh, operator, CEO of Glide Accelerator and senior Kshitij, Director Plutus Business Advisory. So I will ask Kshitij to please take over and address. We will conduct some kind of since we are into we have already conducted a webinar. We'll also be conducting some kind of a web events along with, and we'll be identifying some good startup teams which are working towards a high-end innovations, and then we'll try to accelerate it. Now, and then we'll also put we'll be connect them to some group of investors, the lobby which we have in our in a bucket list, and then the further on, the syndication process, the growth, and that can happen. So our basically key performance indicators in July in 2020, we'll be looking forward for some 25 startups. We'll ensure if these 25 startups incubate into different lobbies, as far as what Ritesh ji has mentioned, that what we are looking here in the startup is basically technopreneurship innovation. And this technopreneurship innovation is what we discuss in the entire thing, that you need to work on the technology, and the technology has to be in the new age of innovation, Industry 4.0, where Ritesh ji also showed the chart. This is the chart where he mentioned that these are the kind of, the growth sectors which we are looking here. The different, though people have to identify these growth sectors. Unless they don't identify these growth sectors, definitely the opportunity cannot be harnessed. So based on that, the technopreneurship innovation is the future. So that's the thing which we're looking. We'll be looking for some, once we have that thing here, we'll be giving a kind of a branding and marketing opportunities. Since SMA Biz, Jitendra Chawla is here to do all those marketing and branding opportunities. So we will get him connected to the startups and do the branding to the different and international world. And yes, attract and retain top talents. So you must have heard Ritu Kant, how confident he was talking about the body language and how, the top talents are the recruited. So there's a saying, अगर आपको अगर बड़ा बनना है, आपको अपने से बेहतर लोगों को employ करना पड़ेगा. If you want to be a best, you need to hire the best. And at the most time, that looking at them, working on the opportunities. Then fourth point is basically the deals, early stage, the syndication. If you are into a kind of a technopreneurship innovation, when Vikram Singh was talking about collaborate, work on the, the syndication model, where the theory of syndication comes into the picture, where the early stage startup, the boot stage startups need to collaborate with the big companies, so that, there has to be constant funding which works in towards the development. Because if there is no development without, any kind of, the financial support, then all the innovation will go on for a toss. So we will conduct a kind of a 12 weeks training program and help the co-founders to educate how to work on this deal flow and the commercial deal flow model. And the fifth point is basically promote the culture of internal innovation. So once we have that, kind of, the investment flowing in, the collaboration, again, what Vikram Singh was talking about, since they were already been acquired by Zomato, so Zomato is working working hard towards their internal innovation program, where they're developing a model of basically, the deliveries, the solving the problems of the delivery and the through drones. So where there is a huge challenge, the government is still in the previous pre-pandemic, they have not, given the permissions to fly the drones. But during this pandemic time, the drone technologies has been one of the biggest technologies that has been harnessed by government in solving the problem of the delivery, solving the problem of high-end image capturing, social distancing monitoring, and basically the crowd control. 6, socio-economic and community development. So the STINT program, Technopreneurship Program, also nurtures the local entrepreneurship, fostering long-term socio-economic development and job creation. So job creation is the end result. So when we taken this topic, technology as a key enabler for sustainable development and job creation. So once we understand the concept of why we are working towards a business development, if there is a business, then we have to align our thought process towards the technologies. And when we align our thought process toward technology, then there is basically a collaboration. And once we do the collaboration, then that is where we're going, scaling up the business through digital marketing and other promotion. Where once we have all those things, communication is very important. So we have to hire some good talents, resource talent, to build this communication. And once you have the communication, you are a brand. And once you are a brand, you can do numerous of technopreneurship because you have the funds. And once you have the funds, get aligned with the government. So Vikram Singh example was one of the best examples that we thought of, that they got collaborated, Tech Eagle Innovation got collaborated with Zomato. Zomato, everybody knows that Zomato is a big brand. And Zomato, and while working with the Zomato, they were constantly working on towards the drone technology to solve the problems. And finally, the government is supporting that. So that is where they have already entered into socio-economic and community development. So with this, we end this overall webinar. And